Introduction to Google Keep Organization.
Google Keep is a powerful tool for capturing notes, lists, and reminders. With the right organization strategies, you can transform a collection of scattered memos into a streamlined archive. Let's explore the top 5 effective ways to use tags and folder-like systems to keep your notes easily accessible and neatly arranged.
Strategy 1. Leverage labels as folders.
Labels in Google Keep work like virtual folders. Assign labels to related notes, such as work, personal, or shopping. You can easily add multiple labels to a single note, letting you group and filter content quickly. Access your labels from the side menu for fast navigation and better categorization.
Strategy 2. Use hashtags for quick tagging.
Add hashtags directly in note titles or bodies, like hashtag travel or hashtag ideas. While these aren't formal tags in Keep, searching for a hashtag instantly pulls up all notes containing it. This trick can supplement labels, especially for temporary groupings or trending themes you want to track effortlessly.
Strategy 3. Color code your notes.
Assign different colors to notes to visually sort them by category or priority. For example, use blue for projects, yellow for reminders, and red for urgent tasks. Color coding, combined with labels or hashtags, provides an extra layer of organization and helps you spot important notes at a glance.
Strategy 4. Pin important notes to the top.
Keep your most used or important notes visible by using the Pin feature. Pin notes always stay at the top of your list, above regular notes. This is perfect for ongoing to-dos or reference material you access frequently, ensuring nothing important gets buried.
Strategy 5. Archive to declutter, not delete.
When a note is no longer needed daily but might be useful later, archive it instead of deleting. Archived notes are removed from your main view but remain searchable and accessible. This strategy keeps your workspace tidy without losing valuable information, allowing for long-term organization.
Conclusion. Streamline your Google Keep workflow.
By applying labels, hashtags, colors, pins, and archives thoughtfully, you can make Google Keep a powerful productivity tool. Customize these strategies to fit your workflow and enjoy faster access and less clutter. Organized notes make it easier to focus, save time, and find what you need when you need it.